Today we're going to be demonstrating for you how to make the Made with Love bead bracelets for the Seaside Escape Retreat. First, you need to gather the things that you're going to need. The Session 6 Starfish Leader Guide has all of the supplies that you will need listed on the inside here. The other thing you're going to need is your Seaside Escape media pack so that you can print out the You Are Loved bracelet cards that are used to give these gifts away with the bracelets. And you can find that on your Graphics and Other Goodies CD within your media pack. For the participants, they will get the instructions for how to make the bracelets in their participant guide starting on page 35. You will also need to pick up, either you will need to get your beads, your aqua color, your coral, and your tan shell colored beads from the hobby store, or you can buy the Made with Love bracelet kits from Group, which includes the wire that you will need and also the You Are Loved charms that you need. Again, you can find these items at a hobby store as well, or you can pick them up from us. You'll also need to get these 3-in-1 craft tools. You could see if anybody on your team or in your church has these already. These are commonly used for making jewelry, so chances are you have people around you that do have these. I picked up a 3-in-1 craft tool just at Walmart. It cost about $5, so you'll need one of those. And this is what we will end up making and giving away as our service project for Seaside Escape. Okay, we're ready to get started on our bracelets. One thing that I recommend that you do prior to your retreat is to go ahead and cut the wire for the ladies, and then go ahead and supply that along with the beads on each table. It is best to kind of pour them out onto some plates, and so that all the supplies are easily accessed for everybody. When you cut the wire, it's going to come in a coil like this, whether you buy it from the hobby store or from group.com. Go ahead, and when you find the end of the wire, you're going to want to cut a little bit of overlap for the bracelet. So you don't want to cut so that the two ends meet. So what we're seeing here is I'm going to cut right about there so that when I cut it, I have an overlap with my wire like that. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and take your little tool and go to the end and curl the end like so, like that. You want it to be like that. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead, and there's no pattern. You don't have to you can do it in a pattern. You can put the beads on any way that you want. And go ahead and get those on there. The only instruction for the ladies is that they want to make sure and get at least all 3 colors on there, because when they give this to a woman, it does explain what each color means and has a Bible verse to go with it. So they'll go ahead and they'll fill up their bracelet until you get to the other end, and then you crimp the other end as well. They make sure that they get one of the You Are Loved charms on every bracelet. And then they'll go ahead and they will write a note to the woman who will receive this gift, and you can provide some organza bags or some other unique way to wrap those up for the women that you will be gifting those to. And that is it.